I got this new fire alarm. It's a smoke detector for my kitchen. It's something that I needed to replace. We bought our house and the smoke detectors were all disabled. So we needed to get some new ones. And this is the one that we picked because it seemed like it was very easy to use, very easy to install. So what you do is you hold down the test silence button for more than 3 seconds. It should make a noise. Once it makes a noise, it lets you know that it's ready to detect smoke in the home. If it goes off, then you just press the silence button to turn it off right here on the front face. So it's a very clean design. I really like it. It's really easy to install. So it comes with these little mounting bracket screws. Just screw them up along with this mounting bracket, and then this goes on and fits through the holes. You just line up the little divots and then you twist to make it all stick together. So we're gonna install it next to our ceiling fan because we like to turn our ceiling fan on when we cook, just in case it gets smoky in the kitchen. So just turn it until everything kind of lines up. Once it all lines up, you twist it in place. So you mount the base to the ceiling and then you twist the actual unit onto the base. So super easy to install, super easy to take off if you ever need to do anything, and there's no batteries to change over, which is extra nice. So we definitely recommend this. I'm excited to not have to change out batteries in a never-ending chirp at 2 a.m. So this is pretty exciting for me. I look forward to getting some good use out of it and seeing how sensitive the alarm is while we cook in the kitchen and undoubtedly burn some bacon. So give it a try. Safety first. Always pay attention to your surroundings in your home and exit your home if you see any smoke and there is potential for a dangerous fire. So just be very careful and make sure that you post these in the rooms in your home that require a safety measure to be taken for fire safety.